Basic tutorial on how to use Google Sheets and make a graph. Google Sheets is a very complicated program with lots of options, so I will only cover some very basic functions today. Today, we will only talk about how to add data to your sheet and how to make a graph. To access Google Sheets, we will need to enter Google Drive through ClassLink. Click the icon that looks like a colorful triangle. When you are in your Drive, you can tell which documents are slides by the green icon on the top left corner of the document. To make a new slides document, click the white New button in the top left corner of the screen with a plus sign. Once the menu appears, click the bar with the green icon that says Google Sheets. We now have a new sheet to work with. Each of these boxes on the page is called a cell. Each cell holds one piece of data. You can click on a cell to type in it. You can either type text or numbers in the cell. When you are working with Google Sheets, you should always make sure you keep data that is grouped together in the same column. Columns are the rows of cells that go downwards, like this. For example, if I want to include data about time measured in seconds, I will write it in this first column. But before I start, I need to label my column. It is always a good idea to label your data so you don't forget what it means in the future. I will label this column time and write seconds in parentheses to indicate how much time I am measuring. Now that my column is labeled, I can enter the data. I click on each cell and write the number that I want to go in the cell on the keyboard. If I'm measuring how many leaves fell off a tree within those 6 seconds, I can create another column for the number of leaves that have fallen. I will label it fallen leaves. I'll add some numbers here. Now, what if I want to make this data into a graph? The first thing I need to do to make a graph is highlighting the data I want to be included in my graph. I can do this by clicking and holding down the trackpad as I move my finger, just like I would if I was highlighting text. Now that my data is highlighted, I click Insert on the top menu. This will insert a chart that represents my data. Click Chart here. If you want to delete the chart, click the top 3 dots in the corner of the chart. Then, click the option that says Delete Chart. Your chart will be deleted. There are many ways to edit and change your charts and data that we will not discuss today. If you want to learn more about Google Sheets, please click on one of the helpful tutorials on the next slide. This concludes our tutorials on how to use Google services. There is so much more to learn about these amazing applications. You can use a Google search to discover more and learn on your own.